Hi guys, I'm just gonna make a video on my new southord lockpicking set. There's all the tools there. Just show you. Here's all the tools. You got rakes, double balls, offset diamonds. Got a ball in there somewhere, a key extractor, a few hooks, some rakes, nice tension edges, some more nice ones. It's a nice little case too. The case for this is a bigger set, 37 piece to be precise. How many picks are in it? There's just so many picks in it. This is a smaller case for a 23 piece set for the Gosser. See? It's a comparison. Yeah. Anyway, just thought I'd show you that. I'm just gonna pick this lock, I think. This is a 40mm. Doesn't have a make. Yeah, I'm just gonna pick this. I think I'll use a rake on it. Got this rake here. Oh yeah, also the handles on the picks are different. So we have this type of handle, which is just normal and just plain. And we have the bigger handles, which is quite a bit thicker. Say southord on it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, quite nice. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'll just rake this one for you. Just use this flex twist. Just use that. I'm gonna rake it. Alright. Helps if I close it first. If you can see that's locked. Just put in my tension wrench. I'm gonna rake it. There, that's done. Voila. I'll just pick the cast for you as well. Just give that a rake. It's locked. Right. I'm just gonna rake it as well. As you can see, one rake and it was open. Okay. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. This is a different camera. It's better. So it's a better camera all around. But yeah, I'm just testing the camera. I'm just showing you my new southord 37 piece set. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I think this is a car wrench. I'm not sure. This one. You can see that? It opens up into two different ones, different forks, which is pretty cool. But yeah, again, the size in the cases, big difference. This is a 23 and this is a 37. So yeah, southord do make some very nice, good quality picks. Yeah. Oh, and this, I think this is the key extractor. I think it is, isn't it? Whatever that is. There we go. There. I think that's the key extractor. I'm not sure. Should be. So yeah, sorry for going off with it. You know, rambling on. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please rate and comment if you liked it. And any questions, I'll be happy to answer. Thanks.